Hi, friends. Today, we will learn about verbs. What is a verb? Verbs are action words. Verbs can be used to describe an action or something that is happening. Verbs can be used to describe how someone or something is feeling. There is a verb in every sentence. Jump, kid, jump on the ground. Run, we run fast during recess. Clap, let's clap to the music. Eat, we eat an apple every day. Drink, I drink water when I'm thirsty. Dance, we dance at the party. Sing, she sings a happy song. Sit, I sit at my chair. Stand, we stand in a line. Sleep, I sleep in my bed at night. Read, I read a story before bedtime. Write, I write my name with a pencil. Draw, she draws a cat with crayons. Kick, kick the ball into the goal. Play, we play with blocks at school. Talk, I talk to my friend. Listen, we listen to the teacher. Crawl, the baby crawls on the floor. Wiggle, I wiggle my fingers. Slide, I slide down the playground slide. So, these are the verbs that we use in our daily life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.